It's been hours since that last clip. This is insane. Yeah, my car's there. Basically as tall as me. This is insane. Hi there everyone, your pal Ral here with another vlog. So, those two previous clips, that's all from today. That's how much snow that we've been getting, and it's been pretty rough. That snowstorm from last month, nothing compared to this. I've seen people throwing around the term bomb cyclone, but the more popular term I've been seeing online is people calling this the Blizzard of 26. And yeah, it was a lot. So, not counting like snow drifts or anything, we probably got about somewhere between 30 to 36 inches of snow at its peak. I think it stopped snowing right now, but it's still windy out. So, snow is still like kind of coming down. But yeah. From what I've been told, this blizzard has actually surpassed the amount of snow that we got in what people call the blizzard of 78. I wasn't born in 1978, but apparently the blizzard that year was really, really bad. And I mean, here it's also pretty bad, but at the very least, uh, people expected this, I guess, and were able to prepare to a degree. But from what I have seen from people talking about the blizzard of 78, that one, although there wasn't quite as much snow, I think like a few inches of snow less than what we got today. The blizzard of 78, there was not as much preparation time for that, and that's why that one was pretty bad. But yeah, this one, at least in my lifetime, so far, has probably been one of the worst blizzards I have seen. I remember there was one a while back where I think this was in 2013 or 2014, which means it's on the vlog somewhere. But I was I stayed the night over at Jamie's place when he used to live here. It was me, him, Matt, Jamie's brother, and Jamie's brother's friends. We all like chilled together, quite literally, and then we did a lot of shoveling the day after. And I remember we lost power. Some parts of where I live lost power, but here, I think it flickered. I don't know. I was doing a lot of shoveling as well, so yeah. But some other parts, like some of my family members, they currently don't have power, so yeah. Anyways, it is Monday. Volleyball was canceled today, and I think it's going to be canceled tomorrow. Yeah, not quite sure. But since I've been home, aside from shuffling, I did get video stuff done, which made me feel productive. I don't think I'm working tomorrow either, so I might get some more video stuff done. There's a video that I'm working on, which I'm like nearly done with it now, but that's been like the big thing on my mind in terms of that. But the snow, gosh, it was super cold. I have a couple of hand warmers here just because they're very handy. And yeah, went outside twice to shovel. Once after that first clip, and then after that second clip, I shoveled again. So, and those were like hours apart from each other. It's rough, very rough. I haven't even shoveled my car out. It's there's so much snow like on top of my car. It's going to be fun doing that tomorrow. Anyways, that's gonna be it. I don't want to think about it. Snow is terrible. I hate snow. But, I mean, I live where I live, and this happens, although not usually to this degree. But, yeah, I'm just going to end off here. So, thank you all so much for watching, and see you all next time for another vlog. Later.